Hello, Sisterwoods. This is Dixie Cravens, and this is my Enhancement 1. I'm going to run the template. Here's my template page. And then, I didn't think about this. Here's my home PHP. And see if I can get the responsiveness. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And then using the tools, the validation for the local CSS, no errors. And with HTML, I get one error, but I always get it and I don't understand this one. With the Google API, it doesn't like the this symbol, and I'm not sure if that is a problem with the way that it copies in from Google or if that is something that is a problem with the validator. But that's the only one that I get. And that is everything. Thank you.